Cinnamon English. Set 6. I like to. I like to cook with my mum. I like to cook with my mum. I like to cut the paper. I like to cut the paper. I like to climb up the rope. I like to climb up the rope. I like to dance with my friends. I like to dance with my friends. I like to drink milk. I like to drink milk. I like to eat watermelon. I like to eat watermelon. I like to kick the ball. I like to kick the ball. I like to jump up and down. I like to jump up and down. I like to look at the clouds. I like to look at the clouds. I like to laugh and play. I like to laugh and play. I like to ride my bike. I like to ride my bike. I like to read books. I like to read books. I like to sit on the chair. I like to sit on the chair. I like to sing a song. I like to sing a song. I like to swim in the pool. I like to swim in the pool. I like to sleep in my bed. I like to sleep in my bed. I like to go to school. I like to go to school. I like to walk in the park. I like to walk in the park. I like to write stories. I like to write stories. I like to draw pictures. I like to draw pictures.